Hello and welcome back to our channel of Free Trade Analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Now, without wasting any further time, let us go to the chart of gold versus US dollar and GBP versus US dollar, which is the British pound sterling against USD, and euro versus US dollar. And we will be discussing the new market scenarios for 5th of August 2024 when market will be opening on Monday. Okay, so as when we were discussing this gold pair on 31st of July, market was trading approximately over here, and we marked this area as our area of major resistance. You guys can clearly see that market entered our area of resistance and broke past it over here and over here and over here and majorly over here. Okay, so just in case if you guys would have taken a long entry over here, and even if over here you guys would have made huge profits. Okay, so let me just take a few sample trades for you guys. Okay, for example, if you guys would have taken an entry over here, your stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and your take profit could be probably over here, and this is a 3.4% profit. And then afterwards more, and over here as well, if you guys, this would be the first risky entry like this, and your take profit would be approximately over here, giving you guys at least a 6.6% profit. Okay, and then market continued to go up, and then market retested our area of major resistance over here, and from here again market closed above with a pin bar candle. And if you guys would have taken a buying entry over here, then you guys would have made a profit of approximately 0.4% till now. Okay, and now let me just move forward these scenarios for the 5th of August, so you guys can clearly just take trades. And for that, let us mark the new areas of support and resistance for you guys. And in order to do that, we will have to go to the 4-hour chart to figure out that what will be the new area of support and resistance. Okay, as you guys can clearly see that market is currently trading at this level, and we have this area of major resistance available over here. Okay, so we will be moving our areas of resistance a little up, approximately somewhere like this, and we will be moving our minor area of support up as well, because you guys can clearly see that after this the major area of available support is approximately over here. Okay, so we will be moving our area of minor support over here, and our area of major support will now be moving approximately over here. Okay, it is because market has respected this area several times previously as well. So let me just show it to you guys. Market has respected this area over here, over here, over here. Okay, and even over here as well, and over here as well. Okay, so market has respected this area several times, so that is why this area will be considered as a major area of support. Okay, so now let me write down the new areas of support and resistance that I have just marked for you guys and move forward these scenarios. So I will let me just set the chart and I will see you guys. Okay, so I have moved forward these scenarios for you guys in gold versus US dollar. So you guys can clearly see that the new area of resistance is 2442 over here, and the upper area of resistance is 2451 mentioned over here as well. And the minor area of support is 2421. This has been respected over here as well. And then you guys can see that major area of support is 2394 mentioned over here, and the lower area of support is 2384 mentioned over here as well. Okay, so just be vigilant. There is a very good chance that market will go up, and in the buying momentum, just remember that we are bullish in this gold pair versus US dollar. So just be vigilant that gold is going to go up as per the whole world's scenarios of wars that are ongoing on the side of Europe and Europe versus several countries. So these are all going to play a major role in sending gold to new highs. Okay, so that's all for gold. Let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP versus US dollar, and let us see how the market behaved. Okay, just remember that we were bullish in this GBP USD pair, and market was trading over here, and market stayed within that range, but market did not respect our area of support and broke below. So if you guys would have taken a selling entry, you guys would have made some good profit till here, then again a selling entry, a profit till here, then again a selling entry and a profit till here. So some very good profits just by selling this GBP USD pair. Just remember that in any market no one can be 100% certain that what the market is going to behave like exactly. So we are always ready to trade the market in the both directions. Okay, yeah, as you guys can see in this very fine example, that even though we were looking for some buying entries, but market did not really give us very good buying opportunities, but rather market gave us very good selling opportunities. For example, this trade would have given you guys a take profit of approximately minimum 1.2% profit. Then the next entry would have given you guys a take profit of approximately 1.7%. And then the third entry over here would have given you guys a take profit of approximately 0.5%, and this trade could be still running as well. Okay, so that's the beauty of trading. You guys have to be ready for all sort of scenarios, and right now you guys can clearly see that market is just trading just below our major area of support. So I will not be moving my area of major area of support. So I will be just moving forward these scenarios so you guys can take further trades in this GBP USD pair as well. And if you guys would like to know anything else, just let us know in the comments section. And if you guys do not understand anything, we are always here, and we are here to help each other out. And if you guys are not understanding anything, I can try to explain it to you guys as much as possible. Okay, so that's all. So if I go to the 4 hour chart, you guys can see that market has just tested our area of major area of support in this candle as well. So I am not moving these support and resistance areas. So just be vigilant. And I hope that this market will bounce back and come within our area of marked areas of support and resistance. Okay, so now let us move to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair from where we left off. Okay, so just remember that when we were discussing on 31st of July, we were bearish in this pair. So if you guys would have taken buying entry from here, this would have given you guys a good profit approximately. Let me take this trade. So this trade would have given you guys a take profit of at least 1.7% over here. Again, market tested our area of major support. You guys could have taken a buying entry like this. Your stop loss will be here, and your take profit could be over here, 1.5% profit. Then afterwards, market tested our area of resistance. We could have taken a short position from here like this. Our a short position will be taken like this. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be approximately over here, giving us a 1.7% profit. After that, market continued to stay down. From here, we would have only break even on this trade, and over here as well. Several small opportunities appeared, but once again, when market entered our area of support and closed above our area of major support, then we could have made a good profit by taking this buy entry from here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and this take profit will be approximately over here, and this will be a take profit of 10.3%, which is huge. After that, market gave us another opportunity from here, and this will be a 1 to 1 ratio take profit approximately. Yes, so 1 by 1.99%, and you guys can clearly see that right now as well market is going upwards, and market has approximately broken this barrier of resistance. Okay, so let us go to the 4-hour chart, and just remember that we were waiting for this area to be broken, and this area has been broken. So now the new area of resistance has occurred over here, and market is now reacting from this area. Okay, so the minor area of resistance will now be moved up approximately till here, and the and this will now act as an area of support, and we will be moving our major area of support upward as well till here. Okay, so just remember that we moved this area over here because this area has been respected over here and over here as well, so it will be a good area of major support. So now let us go to the 1-hour chart and write down the new areas of marked support and resistance for you guys, which will be uh, valid for 5th of August on Monday. Okay. Okay, so now I have moved forward all the scenarios for you guys, and the new area of resistance is now 1.0909 marked over here as well, and the above area of resistance is 1.0924 approximately over here and mentioned over here as well, and the minor area of support is 1.0879, and the major area of support is 1.0844 written over here as well, and the lower area of support is 1.0823 approximately and mentioned over here. Okay, so just remember that now we are looking for some bullish scenarios in this Euro USD pair. So that will be all for today. I hope that you guys will be making some good profits on Monday market, and if there is anything that you guys are not understanding, we can always discuss, so just let me know in the comments. Okay, so that's all. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.